a brand that started in 1964 and has created a sensation among the world's athletes. Yes guys, I'm talking about Nike. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to download the Nike app. Open Play Store if you're an Android user or open App Store if you're an iPhone user. After opening App Store, you'll be in a page interface something like this. Then you have to tap on Search, which is on the right lower corner. After tapping on Search, you will be in a page interface something like this. Then in the search bar, you have to write Nike. Then tap Search. After tapping, you will be in a page interface something like this, and you can see the Nike app with a black tick mark. Besides the Nike app, you can see a download option in blue color. You have to tap on that. After tapping, your download will start. It may take a while to download your Nike app. After your app is downloaded, a open button will come besides it, which means your app is downloaded. Then tap on the open button and you're ready to use Nike app. That's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope the video was informative. Till then, keep watching.